here to show you how to make the water truck noise. And it's getting real simple, except for one part. Because you blow out, but not necessarily like, and then there's a combination of that with, so it can also be done with it under your tongue, under your chin right here.